Have you ever noticed something strange about bicycles? When a bicycle is moving, it can stay upright and balance itself. But when it stops, it falls over almost immediately. Why does this happen? Is the bicycle alive when it moves? Or is there a hidden force that we don't see? Today, we are going to explore the science behind this simple but fascinating mystery. Let's start with what we can clearly observe. When a bicycle is standing still, it is very unstable. Even a small push makes it fall. But when the bicycle starts moving forward, something changes. It becomes much easier to balance. Even children can ride it without falling. This is not magic. This is physics in action. Every object has a point called the center of gravity. This is the point where all the weight of the object seems to be concentrated. When the center of gravity is directly above the wheels, the bicycle stays balanced. But when it shifts too far to one side, the bicycle falls. When the bicycle is not moving, it is very hard to keep this center perfectly aligned. That's why it falls easily. Now here's the important part. When a bicycle moves forward, the wheels start spinning. This spinning creates stability. Why? Because of a combination of two effects. First, the wheels act like spinning gyroscopes. A spinning wheel resists changes in direction. Second, the rider can naturally steer slightly left and right to correct balance. So instead of falling, the bicycle keeps correcting itself again and again. This continuous correction keeps it upright. Let's understand the gyroscope effect more simply. When something spins, it wants to keep its direction stable. A bicycle wheel is a spinning object, so when it is moving fast, it resists falling sideways. The faster it spins, the stronger this stabilizing effect becomes. But gyroscopic force is not the only reason. It helps, but it is not the full story. The real secret of bicycle balance is steering. When a bicycle starts to tilt, the front wheel naturally turns in that direction. This brings the bicycle back under its center of gravity, so the rider is constantly making tiny adjustments without even thinking. This is why riding a bicycle feels automatic after practice. Your body learns to correct balance faster than your mind can notice. So why does a bicycle stay upright only when moving? It is not one single reason. It is a combination of motion, spinning wheels, balance, and constant correction. When all these work together, the bicycle becomes stable. But when it stops moving, all these forces disappear, and gravity takes over. That's when it falls. A simple machine, but a beautiful example of physics in action.